Naphthalene, it is the largest single constituent of coal tar. It is obtained industrially by chilling the middle oil fraction boiling point 10 to 230 degrees centigrade when crude naphthalene crystallizes out. Nomenclature of naphthalene derivative. This is structure of naphthalene and numbering should be start from the very first carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fused carbons will not be numbered. There are two derivatives of naphthalene, 1-bromnaphthalene and 1,6-dimethyl naphthalene. Structure of naphthalene. All 10 carbon atoms present in the naphthalene are sp2 hybridized and the sp2 hybrid orbital overlap with each other and with s orbital of the 8 hydrogen atom and forming carbon-carbon sigma bond and carbon hydrogen sigma bond. Since the sigma bond results from the overlap of trigonal sp2 orbitals or carbon and hydrogen atom in naphthalene lie in one plane. This has been confirmed by X-ray diffraction studies. This is a representation of naphthalene structure. Each carbon atom in naphthalene possesses an unhybridized p orbital containing one electron, and these p orbitals are perpendicular to the plane of sigma bond, as you can see in the picture which are given here, and the lateral overlap of the p orbitals forming the pi molecular orbital, which is represented by dotted line. A common shorthand representation of naphthalene is given below. And according to the resonance theory, naphthalene is considered to be hybrid of the following three canonical forms, which are given here: first, second, and three, A, B, and C. X-ray diffraction study shows that unlike benzene, all carbon-carbon bonds in the naphthalene are not of the same bond length. Particularly, C1 and C2 bond is considerably shorter. Shorter bond length is of 136 angstrom. Then C2-C3 bond, which is of 140 angstrom, 140 degree angstrom. The resonance energy of the naphthalene is 61 kilocalorie. For benzene, it's 36 kilocalorie. As a result, naphthalene is somewhat less aromatic than benzene or more reactive. Less aromatic or more reactive as compared to benzene. Next, classical derivation of the structure of naphthalene. The structure of naphthalene. First, elemental analysis and molecular weight determination shows that the molecular formula of naphthalene is C10H8 and dipole moment of naphthalene is 0. This indicates that naphthalene molecule is symmetrical. Oxidation of naphthalene with oxygen and vanadium pentaoxide at 470 degrees centigrade temperature yields phthalic anhydride. This indicates the presence of benzene ring with two other ortho side chains in the molecule, which is represented in the picture. Nitration of the molecule with HNO3 and concentrated in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid form 1-nitronaphthalene, which further get oxidized by potassium permanganate to give 3-nitrophthalic acid. It also get reduced by 10 in presence of HCl to form 1-aminonaphthalene, which get oxidized by KMnO4 to give salicylic acid. This result clearly indicates that naphthalene consists of two fused benzene rings.